Namaste. In this video, I'm going to talk about the importance of expressing oneself and not suppressing. So, there are 4 types of chanting: Vaikhari, Madhyama, Pashyanti, and Para. When we chant in Vaikhari, it has certain power. We say it aloud, like for example, the way I'm speaking right now, that's Vaikhari. And when we say the same thing in Madhyama, it has 108 times more power than it would have in Vaikhari. So Madhyama is when we just have our thoughts in our mind, we say things in our mind, that's Madhyama. Pashyanti is when we see things as words in our mind. Like if you see Om Namah Shivaya, and it has 108 raised to 2, so 108 squared more power than Madhyama. So by power I mean it creates more effect in your environment than the previous one. So it has more influence, it will change things, it will change your reality with a greater force. In Para, which is the 4th one, which is a form of suppression. So before I say Om Namah Shivaya, I feel like saying it, but I don't say it. So that's Para chanting. And when we do the same thing for Om Namah Shivaya, it's great because it's Para. It's going to be 12,59,712 times more powerful. But when we suppress negative emotion, it's going to really get magnified and start to be in our energy. So even if you are suppressing something that you want to tell someone and you're not able to tell them, you're holding it inside yourself and you're not even saying it in your thoughts, you're just keeping it inside yourself, then it is actually already in your energy field and the other person can feel it even if you're not saying it. So it's coming out into your energy and they are able to receive that as communication. Okay? So what should you do with these negative thoughts? You should learn communication skill, right? So communicating what you need to tell them, whatever you need to resolve with them without making it into a conflict, instead of communicating these things with an understanding of their perspective as well. That's one thing that you can do. The other thing that you can do is just say it in Vaikhari. So you will reduce its power by that many 12,59,712 times. So it will not be as magnified in your energy field. So you say it aloud, but don't say it to the person. Say it to Yama. So turn around like this and say it to Yama Dev, like behind you, like this. So it can be, you can say it to the south direction also, or you can just say it behind you like this, and then Yama Dev will take it away, and so you will not have those thoughts again. And if you need to tell them something, then you need to learn communication skills, which are something that we all need to master. So I'm going to be making videos about that as well. So stay tuned to learn about that. See you in the next video. Thanks you so much for watching.